am Jose C. Massó III. Welcome to the second annual Embrace Massó Con Salsa International Musical Festival here at the Boston Common and the Embrace. Thank you so much for being part of one rhythm, one community.
What's going on, everybody? It is Mr. Massó's 50th anniversary of Con Salsa, the longest running radio show in the country. We are here with about 10,000 of our friends dancing, celebrating, loving each other, and showing that we are Boston strong. Come on out. We honor you with 50 years, your own platinum gold record, for all the gold and platinum records that you've played throughout the years.
I'm Michelle Wu, Mayor of the City of Boston, do hereby proclaim September 13th, 2025 to be Jose C. Massó III Day in the City of Boston. And of course, we wanted to offer a special City of Boston street sign designating Massachusetts Avenue in the City of Boston.
We believe that every place is a space that we can get together and create community, especially now more than ever. And I believe in the social power of music, art, spoken word, and all the things that make us stronger as people. And so at a moment in time when they want to divide us because of our race, our ethnicity, our nationality, our cultures, our language, our religions, our gender, we are working very hard using these types of events to say no. We are united. We're one rhythm, we're one community. Un solo ritmo, una sola comunidad.
And if I can add, it brings people together that haven't seen each other for a while. I have a group of friends that we grew up together since the first grade, and they all traveled to be here to enjoy this moment, this time together in music and in community.